a trainer came on the stage and showed a 500 rupees note. And he said, called somebody, "Hey, how much change will you give me for this?" And he said, maybe 500 rupee notes, or maybe 10-50 rupees notes. And he said, "Okay, now suppose I crumple this note. How much will you give me?" And I said, "I'll give you the same. Either 500 rupee notes or 10-50 rupees notes." Then I said, "When you were a young child, you were absolutely fantastic and the world crumbled you. In the name of caretaking, a lot of comparison, conditioning and criticism started, and very unfortunately, human beings get crumbled and the self-image and self-esteem, everything it goes for a toss." My dear friends, when we are born, our form is simply fantastic. This form is simply fantastic, and when it is crumpled, you are not going to reduce the cost of this. However, humans are crumpled by the society, and unfortunately, the information which is put into us absolutely takes care of our deformation. And therefore, you will find a lot of adults with big degrees, unfortunately, the form within has crumpled, and the form outside keeps on increasing in the name of prefixes and suffixes, and we go in for more and more, thinking that something will happen inside. But my dear friends, nothing happens inside. We need to work on ourselves, and if you need to work on removing that deformation, you have to work on your thinking, and that is reformation. And therefore, for reformation, Buoyancy has come out with a wonderful program called Jagrut, and wonderful companies are supporting us. Thankful to Lions International, who is collaborating with us, giving us an impetus to see to it that we can reach out to lakhs of students. And if you are interested in attending this Jagrut program, please do keep in touch with us, because we will come to your institute. You can come to our institute or any other program where you can come and find out how the reformation can take place. And not only that, the reformation will only address your deformation, but what we want to do is take you to the next level of transformation. My dear friends, this 500 rupees cannot transform into a next level. It will remain 500, and after some years the government of India will tell, if this note belongs to a date which is prior to such and such a date, it will have no value. This is having a value of paper after that. But you can transform. Nobody can stop you other than you. So my dear friends, would you like to transform? Would you like to experience Jagrut, the awakening, which over 100 years back Swami Vivekananda said, "Arise and awake." This awakening has to happen. What is awakening? Being in the now, present in the now, alert in the now, aware of the reality, and agile in taking actions. All the best, and see to it that you become a part of Jagrut and spread Jagrut to India, because my dear friends, our youth are the most intelligent. Absolutely, energy level is very high, but either can be used for destructive purposes or constructive purposes. Let's all join hands and make use of using our youth for constructive purposes. Thank you very much. All the best.